Today we're going to talk about why hire a real estate attorney for a real estate purchase. Florida is one of the states in the United States that do not require a real estate attorney to handle a closing. A good amount of closings are handled through non-attorney-owned title companies, and as such, if a buyer does not hire a real estate attorney, that buyer relies heavily on his or her real estate agent. However, real estate agents are not lawyers, nor can they provide legal advice. Therefore, the hiring of a real estate attorney can be highly beneficial for various reasons. First of all, real estate transactions involve complex legal documents and regulations. A real estate attorney can provide expert guidance ensuring that all legal requirements are met. A real estate attorney can review purchase agreements and leases and other contracts and also insert, edit, or delete different contractual provisions to protect your interest and prevent potential disputes or legal issues. Another reason is a good real estate attorney can conduct thorough title searches, address title issues, and ensure that you have clear title to the property. A real estate attorney can also advise on purchasing title insurance. A real estate attorney can assist with due diligence, such as property inspections, zoning compliance, environmental assessments, to uncover potential issues. And in the case of disputes, boundary conflicts, or other legal issues, a real estate attorney can represent you and protect your rights through negotiations or litigations. I'd like to provide you with a very real-life example of the dangers of not hiring a real estate attorney. We had a husband and wife contact our office and request we represent them in the purchase of vacant land. They had wanted to purchase this land to build their dream home and move to Florida. They are from New York, and in New York, they're required to have and use a real estate attorney. Well, their real estate agent told them over and over again, it's not necessary to hire a real estate attorney in Florida. It's just not necessary. You don't have to. Well, against the advice of their real estate agent, they hired us. And we reviewed title to the property and saw something on title that read something to the effect that this land is part of the green swamp area of critical state concern. So we questioned the seller's agent, who said it was of no concern and that there were homes built on each side of the property that my client wanted to purchase. My client's real estate agent also echoed the same thing. Long story short, we found out not only was this land forever unbuildable, but there was no access to the property by virtue of the green swamp area. So my client terminated his contract and gave our office a 5-star Google review. But for the fact that he hired a real estate attorney, he would have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on property he would have never been able to build on or use. The moral of the story here is hire a real estate attorney before you even sign a contract to purchase land. As evidenced in my example, the investment you make and the benefits you receive in hiring a real estate lawyer for the purchase of property far exceeds the cost of errors. If you have any questions about the hiring of a real estate attorney, contact Legal Counsel PA. Have questions? We have answers.